Me patch browser some the latest exclusives update eba Darling Pony Yaa TV Darling Po TV everything has a folk a phobia exclusives me patch nkuta jine kwa nansi ene adanko adaroma ene me the latest eba na has a folk training ene Coach FIIFI Parker Hansen, for the first time, extapé ne foot on the Phobian turf. Any brady can coach FIIFI Parker Hansen, it me joining. Coach Maxwell Didi Dramani, the head coach, and first assistant coach Abdul Ghazali, Emma Omumi and Senina, it me buejuma dika pa ewo. Man, on say me capture will say Enra and Abdul Ghazali, and so etimi wura go pramane so a onu ye training na FIIFI onra by FIIFI and to man ye training and a FIIFI ye training. Me the latest no mamo. Me pacho dia mete say Basake Holy Stars almost center back Ibrahim Sadat ZUMAH has a folk. And so as starting in din koma and komono eguso ekoso on say mebeka kire mo say Ebenezer Urban Heart of Lions for defender no aye din pa say has ebenyan because ebona Randy Abe e quote for this defender eya de was soro on say as folk echo Heart of Lions say omo kwa kope 2 players na free ho na Ishmael Ado midfielder no enso eka ho me pacho Ishmael Ado has a folk eboa no wosoro and omo start e say didin komo say nyame ya adoma omo betimanya some good players e dey augment as folk team no enti makacho say technical meeting e dey ebe koso and omo lot of meetings omo hwe nimu na omo assign the players ni bi e dey abeka ho Ebenezer Urban Ishmael Ado no Randy Abe e wosoro enti Basake Holy Stars center back Ibrahim Sadat ZUMAH and has e hwe nimu mema remfi say kuna du yado and so a contract no a idea run it down penny for started and kuna do din komo I understand say uko training ground sir kuna do yadom David Opan Frane Michael Ampedu coach epe omo pa enti ohwe ni muso betimi I extend the contract no but kuna do dia no it looks like say there hasn't been anything fruitful ewon komo na omo edinim enti diamete and say has empokunadu and to me and stay omo the place ni bi ebeba and Basake Holy Stars for center back no one player has any needing koma and komono and so eko animu pa me pa chao mema remfi say David Opan Frane maka kire wo dada say boy no so contract no run it down when penny for share anymore so betimi extend say coach Maxwell Didi Dramani there or ye enwu place no no me be kan ti anamenti ase ewo da players bebria eye training no na unim say ne number no oma kate so oma kate number no oma twa so oma kate number no because Aurora's able friendly match and going forward the meeting say enya de some obema players be 51 mum aye training but me on me nya call ana panyi bi ete ho ede amame say it's because omo pese omo team ni bi eko Nigeria na Nigeria no team no eko no omo beche team ni mutu has team no ente bi be di kan ko Nigeria nyame ya adoma efiada sene next week Friday na team ni bi beko na team ni bi nso atena ha abo kotoko game no enti so omo wie kotoko game na bi nso akwa akososo because of acclimatization any niema bi a was say eco international tournament no mo hu say hasfo enso abba because opening day no was say hasfo team no ewo mema rainfi say opening day no a Sunday when a has airborne because has everybody dear Monday has any Daji FC of Republic of Benin and everybody first game intimema urenfi say players nibi ebedi kan ako panyine frame no say dale no dibim but there's a reason enti sometimes ye can no kra na ye kan enti obedi di matema memaka say one me nya adwan di atem ye criticize constructively udi matema me delete o message no it doesn't help madwen na meche enti me pacha oso betimi akire wadwen respectfully na enyina yakoyanim it's not about the attempt debi ene o ka se enye nyansasem na meka no omunso woni nyansasem o number no makate no so on football ene modern day football na amanfo ye no enye first ni biem and when obi tries to criticize decisions bi ana eniema bia you don't rule that opinion of debi sometimes you should consider some criticisms ebia na aboa entimu amoka na enwuhia coach ni na eye na adwuma coach ni na eye na adwuma but the year kano enso watie what I say he was just having time to watch some players by 51 na too much of the size especially when a few days na match no baso ene omo kate number ne so na me patch Patrick Razak went to me armor training me wurem na mapɛ the reason why Patrick Razak and so and to me anye training I understand say ne nsuo no egugu anopa no nsuo ne toy anopa no it could be say ebia eno ebeye reason enti a Patrick ama but my culture mo say eya ne nkomo ewo nkomo achi enti nyame adoma me hwe say ochina Patrick Razak beba say wansa match na dia then me wo every right to investigate na match as a coach bibi ewo ho ana say bibi anywhere but I'm just hoping say ochina Hasifuk ebeto aso training enti se Patrick Razak omotoyosi eba trainer then meba be confirm amamo but ene de boy no entumi anye training Auroras ebo ayonkofa kansi ene Dada Diof don bote or shishe team ne pa ne daya so ne se Hasifuk youth team no Auroras ebetima qualify edi ababebo first division mekai se togbe afede the akpagbomefe of the Asogli state edis ehon enkomo and they are giving guys no everything that they need to qualify Dada Diof and started preparation and OWUSU 2-1 but I understand say na performance no dia e was soro pa eno ene de efiri oba mete ho de amamo house folk team no a normal ball half pack 3 coaches no maka kire wo dada say na omu nyina e agoprama ne so omu observe eye team no players no omu enya fair idea the qualities players need be possessed on the field of play then omu team ayomo selection and the meeting say coach Abdul Ghazali and a selections no ono nso ne kakra enei omo ede eboa omo senior coach Max Wood di Dramani coach FIIFI Paka Hansen ene na oye adwuma dikadika pa enye asem ketwa Prince OWUSU KWABENA mema remfi se me ka kire wo se enra oye training sanso na Rashid Okan eye training dia mate ne se Prince OWUSU KWABENA Hasifuk ene no edi nkomo pa next week BBC next week mo beti nsem ni pi enso ewo Prince OWUSU KWABENA ho diamete and it's a house and in a dim command no there's other clubs from Rwanda omonso ani abre pe Prince OWUSU KWABENA senkebeya Prince emra mesi akan emfa ema omo agent for ne ha no metete Thailand enso ebia agent for ne ni abre person mo de ne ko Thailand eni ade ba Prince OWUSU KWABENA enso ene has folk astati didin komo no ashe training ase kura dada me de dia be koso bia no ebeba memfa enkamemo ewo eye dwumadie ne so darling pony Yaa TV darling po TV everything has a folk eye phobia exclusives nyame ya doma me de nsem ni pe ebeba about Prince OWUSU KWABENA Rashido kind ene the second day training grounds na share screen as well training and has a folk no but one thing that many aje wo ho pa the facilities pobi man say wo yi pitches na wo na on the field da nesisi wo no you know a lot and they say omo small posts be buy you know a lot of posts adie has players no enya pobi man no before na omunya even when has folk won the Champions League the Continental Club Masters rule Africa the year 2000 now with these facilities no money be but they did so well and won that cup for Hasifok Entenia has enya these facilities ude hwe ago pramane so clearly niema esisi so sa we no war no we no mo de to war no so omu digina oma nipa then they rehearse on it omu training use the training sometimes they use it as a decor they use it as you know defenders eboa bebre enti mayembo togbe afede abaso has a fokene with a kind of facilities equipment omonso edeba on board training tools you know they have a lot of training equipment and also eboa ama players and also etimi akwankan diaka and a sempanyfo be arrest no anase e kana free ho e car a bonus I can 4 bonuses no and this month we are then it will be 2 months because last month by there can you say players so we will also charge them to train hard and be serious because they have everything at their disposal omo bibia so they should be serious yentimi enhwema omo enye lazy enti makachiro say we are the watchdogs the enkoye me free say me chairman adwen fa ho ebeboa no I will continue doing that and only me nya adwen many problem but it's not about insult no any me masem me patron him say me be catch we say asifuk ebebo tournament president cup no omobeko akwakobo eco international tournament no and also omobebo top 4 ana gaman check up eno ne nkoma mpanyifo no omudi abra yewie league season 2024-2025 no na me pacho diamete ene se galka adin komo se nyame ya adoma osana bosume no omode gaka top 4 ne beba so metete 1st August se Ghana League Club Association no enya akwakotenase se omode tournament no baso gaka top 4 enti se baso dia that it means say now after Eco International Tournament no House of Folk besa bebo gaka top 4 enti be very good grounds for preparation be so tough diama players no just to justify on players omo free so betimanya the starting berth se league no shasia enti with this no me free say very very positive the my clubs are almost to me qualify top 4. Imagine you playing Bibiani Gold Stars. And hey, Bibiani Gold Stars, signing, signing a lot of players. Signing a lot of players. Bibiani Gold Stars, 5 signings no my. They are augmenting their squad, and for them, it will prepare them when almost Kwakobo Africa Champions League. Hasefuk Ebona. Indirectly and directly, and also prepare Hasefuk into next season. Oh, the second year, Heart of Lions, they also have a lot of quality with their tactician, Bashi Hayford. He's also trying to augment the squad. And also a lot of works behind the scenes. And they are strengthening the team. Kotoko, Anafi Hasefuk, Omune Botofon, Bibiani Gold Stars, Heart of Lions, Kotoko, Hasefuk. They are the top 4 teams. And mpanyinfo hwe ne mu so betimi amada tournament no enso etimi abaso nti de ebe firi mu ababia no me de wonsem ebeba mema remfi so ya obe like de amame eya no subscribe no share na wonua enya bi ahwe abrami guso the latest no mamo ewo dwumadie ne so me pacho coach FIIFI Parker Hansen makacho ose no ostati training me pacho kokoshia dilali anko adiama na I understand say meeting no enkomo no ekoso kama pa enei omo di proposal no ma coach na afi coach enso ene Hasefuk Boboko ne so atimawie same thing applies to Abdul Ghazali ono so ne has enkomo ne kwa ni mu pa enche this coach is ebesensa contract na afi omone Hasefuk Boboko ne so etimi awie abra ko didi dramani 2 years edi animi ono so ne phobia never say die until the bones are rotten Boboko no enso etimi awie enti wana mo pe coaches no enso ene Hasefuk enkita wondie anan komo twetwe no me pacho komo twetwe no de ekwa animu negotiations no guso a ekoso enti me pacho de be pie free mu ababia no me mfa nkame ho me the latest no ebema ewo dwumadie ne so abra dabia metete ho kakra de emamo no me pacho yan consent fufro Cheetah Cup baso Oaks FC ena ebo me pacho faith ladies, Samates, soccer intellectuals, Oaks FC, Omunyina, Ajepenia ene Omobabesi akaini bi ewo Cheetah tournament 17th to 24th August 2025 ena baso ewo senya breku enya sem ketu akra abra Oaks FC prepare de akwakopiem ewo women league name me pacho Malta Guinness Women Championship ebaso the Southern Zone yebedi achire na yedi nsem pi aba mema rain fisa Magdan Park maka chira wo data se Hasefuk no the Oaks FC ebekwa akobo Sisamba Ladies eno Kappa Greater Accra Regional Football Association no enso ebo the Amasi Samba Ladies Oaks FC. They decide a grand finale. Why? And a women's division 1. Omo area league no. Omo bo say why and a beje ne kra. Enti ya the latest no and so be free what the about Magdan Park. Baka e the 20 tournament about a man so e the no na metete won the amount. Has aya de pa nyo teams ni nyina ene wo eye emano teams ni bi and Hasefuk say or under 17 Royal Oaks, under 20 Auroras, my team Oak FC and on it say His Royal Highness Togbe Afede Dagbobefi of the Sogli State Edru Bebia eya e was say ye bono apaso enti Togbe onkwaso nyame inshaw o ye dwumaden pa aha ena Togbe Afede enso etie enti minim said the akabia ne ka obeye akatua ni sei onyi ne quick ma omo na enkran brabo no ya na eden sponsors Delali Ankwadiama, Vodafone, Okasa Odeba, Enyene, Mawremo Vodafone. Mr. Ima, boy Mr. Ima full name, but me kobisai, you know, I'm trying to say me who dear woho. Maybe I can't, but me judge ready. Maybe I can't say Delali Ankwadiama de Vodafone eba, but Vodafone no, emai, ache, MD, yene first sponsor bla, na woche. At least, se utimi nya sponsor ba kumi enubi de babe boa. Bible kraka ana mpanyimfo aka se bakofo ensa enso nyame ani kata enti yensom eno ane nipa sponsors ne ba yensom no ane sponsors no they can also help kakra equite say debia togba His Royal Highness the Agbogomanfi of the Asogli State. It's not easy every month say e ka no achirewa sometimes OT figures then you are dumbfounded. It will marvels you. Enti yenshena Delali Ankwadiama or kofa sponsors bla. No other nane amponsa kokotoko is what the sponsors koi. No so ye MDT sewa. Yan toso na minyin semni being free. Me pacho the President Cup baso. But the last time FNE release this flyer Road to Super Clash na team start no and so MIN all meetings since 1958 Ghana Premier League in him and the bragging right now is still on. The bragging right why na share has to fokana kotoko whether you like it or not. When it comes to President Cup games in the no, me assure say they will more lazy this flyer. Say ebia kotoko aweni say has aweni say no. Sa ne bedru baby the President Cup ne other cup games and so they will release it because the bragging right no will never be out of Kotoko house games. Nah. Kotoko house games no. Ma ka and meguswaka. I just want to create awareness. Me create awareness. Say it's not just any ordinary game. Enti eno. And so eno no nyame ya aduma me the latest snippy ebeba. Majen chireni here. Memini kakra free ho. Isaac Ade say they should allow the coach freedom. Felix Sam, Darlin Paul has is saddled with debt due to bad recruitment made by Akambi and Odote. These two are the bane of the club. Unfortunately, Togbe has not been bold enough to dispense with their services. And the longer they stay, the more house will run into debts. Ow, has penny. And Ponsa Robert at the love emojis no abba. Yeso ye do and Ponsa Robert. Felix Science say, Asemo, please say it. Mate, me huna, me name adwin Jamaica. Stephen John say, oh my God, has need a legal advisor as soon as possible. Mamu Jiwa saying, darling, you are doing a wonderful job, and I hope you will find a way to get this important information. Reach out to the club that he should be very careful with these people, else he is going to fail. Ask the head coach of the club, he should be smart enough, be his own man. Make sure he takes decision that will make him succeed. Currently, he is one of the highly respected coaches in Ghana, but if he allowed this Akambi and Co. any space, he will regret coming to coach Accra Folk. Darling, tell him, thank you, God bless you. Mahmoud Jiwa, and the message we buy. Me Mahmoud, me kano kreno, enti meka, yes, me nya coach one meka chance one ye careful, and me who messages about me DM wa, me him said to do na pese coach no. Omu jaine money work very freely, freedom. Omu famano. Joseph Taikwame si futu frapa. Why? Bright Ajiman say, I'm watching from Takwa. I hope say Takwa for Obiya. Sylvester Sigbe say, Darling Paul, if we should continue like this, nothing for us this season. Why justify again? We still haven't learned anything from last season. This is not good for Hasefuk. Mate. But on justify, no, Sylvester Mifri say we should give them the benefit of the doubt. On bet my justify to pick 1 or 2 be from justify, no. But they should check say Emma Medosu Bebre. Because we all know say justify for the Dosu Bebre outweigh players now what said the last season. Na. And Boama Wuntimin Jikrua. Enti cheke. When I has a folk ne golden cake cowboy no, omo eliminate to almost simple. Oh, has a folk could have won the league, but a Drew baby or Tifiana dreams abeshano, na nations abeshano. You understand? Has a folk is always ready for tried and tested players. But enon chase be a justify no muntiminye. They can do the justify, but me my dream no. Me free say ope kick a crabby. Now the barber saw the one is no at all. Quality ediafra. That's the status of Hasefuk. Hasefuk jina pe no, ni jina biano no, ni bobre eno no. Mamem komeni. Where if you wanna eba kweku anda or say then darling stop attacking the coach and do your update. What is that? Kweku update today the same day but edru baby a me madwuma no since tete obi of tie me bi anim say bibi nko ya me kire ma adwen. Oh, yes, I'm doing journalism. It's not about say me be updates pe. I like your criticism. Obe criticize me. Oh, usi mi njai coaching man nyana adwuma. When di atem, I like it. Kwaku nyame show. Say na me pe me di atem. Debi udi atem me delete your message no. Rich Saint say, look darling, I think you are going off your role and leave the coach to do his job. You are talking too much. We know some of you have your players there. Please, just give us the update. Rich Saint and a debaye. Me mini player biya ho. Kobisa players no. Omu ni me. Dear me wo ye nkuta gine kwakwa na nsani adanko. Ene ma me update. Rich Saint, I like your criticism. When di matem, yes, it's good. Okay, Isaiah is very good. And no, ebi mu free say de me kan na ye, ebi nso free say eni kwan say me kasa. That's life. Obi ane na dwenkyere. Yes, opinion are like gnosis. What you say? Enti obi a any de we osi hu ne nsemfa. Enti uba na wo so abekere wa adwen na ni nyina aboa na ye koye ni mpanyimfo ni tia adwenkyere ne kura aboa bebre. Collins is saying, or say, yeah, you are doing well, but I want you to get closer to Togbe Afede and tell him how he and his management are disgracing the team in terms of depth and branding. It's too bad. Metas Collins. SK Boa, long time. SK, last season na o comment pa, but mete won kache ade. Or say, Yaa TV. Darling Paul TV. Keep up with a good job. Live from London, Tottenham, SK Boa, and a message you so a buyer. Reynolds Sadum say, I'm delighted we now have a video analyst. Let's wrap up the signing of Jonah Atukwe. Me da say, Reynolds, also mete on kanche pa. Ade na mabama buana na nse mintimun ka me humu messages. We say, I pray as a focus sign good players to help restore the glory back. Esel and a debaye. Mamin fancy nyami aduma meba with all the latest. Makramo. Aya like mami subscribe share na unia. Enyabi and share. House of Fokun komo anamede ebaye.